Hello everyone, so today I will share how to make this heart shape couple photo collage template design in Canva, and this template will be free for all the subscribers of this channel. So if you want to get this template for free, please subscribe to the channel, and the instructions to get this template will follow accordingly in a short period of time. So let's start with it. So first I will go to elements here and I will search for heart shape. So I will go to shapes and I will choose the first one. Okay, so you can choose any one of them from this shape section. Okay, and after that let's make it bigger. Okay, and change the color to black. Okay, and after that just duplicate it, place it in the same position and just make it smaller. Okay, and place it in the middle and change the stroke color here and select this one and change the stroke color with this one and to white. Okay, so I will use the stroke weight and increase it, and I will keep it to 25. Okay, and after that I will make it slightly smaller and I will place it in the middle. Okay, and after that I will select L and I will just rotate it to 90 degrees, and after that change the stroke weight to 11. Okay, and I will just increase it from the above and from the down, and after that I will just duplicate it and I will rotate it again to a straight line, and after that just use this move tool and move it till here. Okay, and I will extend the line again by pressing on shift key in the keyboard so that it is a straight line, and after that I will duplicate it and I will bring it below here, and after that select the heart symbol in the middle and right click it, go to layer, bring to front. Okay, and it looks like this. So let's name it to heart photo collage, and after that I will go to share, click on download, make sure it is in PNG and click on download. Now I will click on add page and click on this background color and change it to green color, and click on share, click on download, make sure this is also in PNG, and this time select the current page, which is page 2, because you have already downloaded the page 1. Click on download. Now I will come to picsvg.com, which is a free SVG converter. As you can see, it is written here. Click on upload a picture and just upload the heart shaped design which you just created, and scroll down to find here filters, click on internal 3 and it will select the main part and click on download SVG. Now I will come to photopea.com, which is a free version of Photoshop. Click on open from computer and click the SVG file which you just downloaded from picsvg.com. Okay, and now I will click on file, click on open and place, and this time I will use the green background which I have downloaded from Canva, and I will make it bigger from the page, and after that right click it, click on clipping mask, and I will follow the same for all the parts. So as you can see, all the selections are complete and all the clipping masks are here with this layer for this individual layer, as you can see in here. So after that click on file, click on save as PSD, and as you can see the saving is done. Now just come back to Canva again, click on add page and just remove the green color. Okay, now I will come to upload section and I will just upload the PSD file which I have downloaded from photopea.com, and it will get saved to designs because it is a Photoshop document. Okay, and just click it here, and after that just click on any of the layer, right click it, go to layer, show layers, and behind every layer there is a black layer, as you can see in here. So select all of them and click on delete to delete them. Now just click on backspace on all the layers to reveal the image frame. And to get this template for free, you need to become a subscriber of my channel, and after that you need to go to the description of this video and you will find the link there. Please click on links and you will be redirected to the server. So hope you like this design, and this is how it looks after designing with the images. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel if you learned from this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And if you have any more suggestions in mind of any new topic you want to have a tutorial, please also let me know in the comments. Thank you.